Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to fix trouble on the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth networks on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, for those of you which the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your cell phone can't work, don't need to be worried guys, because I will give you a tutorial on how to fix it or overcome it. And how to do that is very easy. Without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then after that now you can scroll down and go to general management, and then after that now you can scroll down again and go to reset, and after that now you can scroll down again and reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. You can click reset setting. This can be helpful while troubleshooting connection issue such as difficulty Bluetooth device or network. Alright guys, here's the tutorial on how to fix it, and thank you so much for watching.